एक प्रेम प्याला पी आया, मैं जी आया, मैं जी आया, मैं प्रेम प्याला पी आया। ओए रमता जोगी, ओए रमता जोगी, होए 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 होए, ओए रमता जोगी, ओए रमता जोगी, होए 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 होए। मैं प्रेम दा प्याला पी आया, मैं प्रेम दा प्याला पी आया, एक पल में सदियां जी आया। ओए रमता जोगी, ओए रमता जोगी, होए 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 होए, मैं प्रेम दा प्याला पी आया, एक पल में सदियां जी आया। सारी मधुशाला पी आया, एक पल में सदियां जी आया। मैं पी आया, मैं पी आया, मैं पी आया, जा पी आया, मैं जी आया। ओए रमता जोगी, ओए रमता जोगी, होए 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 होए,
तू रमता जोगी, तू रमता जोगी, होए 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 होए, तू रमता जोगी, तू रमता जोगी, होए 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 होए, तू प्रेम दा प्याला पी आया है, तेरे दिल विच की आया।
Check, check.
तू प्रेम
What up, everybody?
आया है, तेरे दिल विच की आया।
Sangeeta, what's up? Raheem, Gayan, Habiba, what's up? Hey, do me a favor, tell a friend that we're hanging out. And if you like the movie, if you like Desi Fest, time to come hang out with us for a little bit, man.
ओए रमता जोगी, ओए रमता जोगी, होए 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 होए।
Trying something new, a new format, a new concept, where you and I get to hang out. We're calling it the movie trivia, but it's more just you and me hanging out and playing some music together. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up if the audio on my voice is coming through clearly, please.
ये जोग लिया किस कारण, ये रोग
Thank you, Rahima, brother.
कारण, ये जोग लिया किस कारण।
Don't cheat and Google anything, okay? Let's just play. I've already cheated and Googled for all the answers.
बस्ती में एक मौज उठी तो मस्ती में, एक जोगन देखी बस्ती में।
Thank you for sharing, Sangeeta. I love you.
ओ मस्ती में दिल भी आया, मैं भी आया, मैं प्रेम प्याला भी आया। मैं पी आया, मैं जी आया, मैं प्रेम प्याला भी आया, मैं जी आया।
Roseman Bapu's here.
तू रमता जोगी, तू रमता जोगी, जोगी जोगी जोगी।
What up, Roseman?
तू रमता जोगी, तू रमता जोगी, जोगी जोगी जोगी।
Thank you guys for joining me. I miss you, man. January and February was so crazy and busy. I didn't get a chance to come hang out. So March, I'm back, and I'm going to try to come on every single night with all of you and hang out with you. And so please hang out with me. I miss you. Narayanan, what's up, man? I miss you.
लगन ये जागी जग छूटा।
I'm trying to get acapellas to happen again. So Narayanan, you got to hit me up, man. Let's get you back on the stage with us on Desi Fest.
टकरा पहुंची, ये चोट जिया टकरा लागी। ओहो ये दर्द ज़बां टकराया, ये तेरे दिल विच की
ओ सारी मधुशाला पी आया, एक पल में सदियां जी आया। मैं पी आया, मैं पी आया, मैं पी आया।
First question of the day. Thank you for playing. This is the warm-up question. Comment below. What's the name of this song? Let's go.
तू रमता जोगी रमता जोगी रमता जोगी रमता जोगी रमता जोगी रमता जोगी तू रमता जोगी 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 रमता जोगी
Okay, looks like you guys are knowing what the game is.
जोगी 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 रमता जोगी 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 रमता जोगी जोगी जोगी
Vah, kya baat hai. All of you amazing folks, listen, thank you for joining us. And I've already got 2 angry faces. I'm assuming you are hitting the love button so hard and your finger slipped and you get me a couple of angry emojis, but that's all good. So listen, we've been working really hard on sofa sessions, and then January and February I've been really working on trying to get some funding so we can continue to do more shows. But in the meantime, you know how my mind is. I'm always trying to create some fun ways for us to hang out every single day. And I was watching this movie over the weekend, and I was like, man, it'd be good to get back online and pick a movie, play some songs, and then get all of us connecting and doing a bit of a trivia thing. So that's what today is. I'm testing it out, see what's going on. And of course, as always, you know, I love you, and that goes without saying. I love you, and every time you get to hang out with me. Big shout out to Norma. What up, everybody? Tag a friend. Let's have some fun. So the first round was who sang that song, or what was the name of the song. As I played the second song, for those of you that are just joining me, name the singer. There's 2 singers, a male singer and a female singer. Let's see if you know the voices. I'm going to play a little bit more of this. Let's go. And you get bonus points. Bonus points if you correctly spell them.
Oi ramta jogi, hoye 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 hoye. Oi ramta jogi, hoye hoye hoye.
I hope everybody had a great weekend. Happy Monday.
मैं प्रेम दा प्याला पिया मैं प्रेम दा प्याला पिया एक पल में सदियां.
Listen, Sequinder is a hard name to spell, man. So shout out to everybody.
Oi ramta jogi, hoye 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 hoye. मैं प्रेम दा.
We're just getting our online store fully revamped. And everybody today, we're going to pick some names and hand out some freebies. So do play along, do participate. I can't tell you what you're going to win. It might be a t-shirt, it could be a hat, it could be a hoodie. But we're trying to make sure everybody that supported us last year gets some sort of a swag this year from us.
तू रमता जोगी होए होए होए.
Yes, Raheem is right.
तू रमता जोगी होए होए होए. तू प्रेम दा प्याला पी आया है तेरे दिल विच की आया. तू प्रेम दा प्याला पी आया है तेरे दिल विच की आया.
सारी मधुशाला पी आया एक पल में.
What up, Go Rose G? How are you?
मैं पी आया जा पी आया मैं जी आया.
Now, I know this is a very smart crowd because you guys know all the stuff more than me. Thank you, Go Rose G, for joining us. I appreciate you. Guys, hit that share button. It's going to be a lot of fun. Jazz, what up, my dude? So before I play the next song, this is a 2-part question. 1, what year did this movie come out? And 2, the name of this song. Let's go. Can you guess the name with just that teaser, man? I wish I could sing it for you guys. This is one of my all-time favorite songs, man. Do me a favor, comment below what year did this movie come out, and what is the name of this song before the hook comes in, because this is an iconic song. Da-na-na-na. 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 Let's go! क्या बात है शाइमल जी. Happy belated, everybody say happy birthday to Shaimala. Can I just say, this song gives me goosebumps every time I hear it. I don't know why, but every time I hear it, I get goosebumps. Big shout out to my brothers on the call. Suja, what up, man? We got to get you on the DJ decks with us. All of you joining us. This is a movie trivia game. I've got my Wikipedia open so I know what the right answers are. And this is about fun and connecting all of us. Again, if you recognize somebody on the feed, say what's up to them. And happy Monday. Show me some love. Let's go. Ishq bina वाह वाह 1999
गुड़ से मीठा इश्क इश्क इमली से खट्टा इश्क वादा ये पक्का इश्क इश्क धागा ये कच्चा इश्क
na 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 वाह Guys, if you're not following my brother Suja on Facebook, please do. He's got some of the best remixes and DJ sets in the country. Shaimala G, did you have some cake? Comment below, let us know.
गुड़ से मीठा इश्क इश्क इमली से खट्टा इश्क इश्क वादा ये पक्का इश्क इश्क धागा ये कच्चा इश्क 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 बिना क्या जीना यारो
हाँ
इश्क बिना क्या मरना यारो
इश्क बिना
क्या जीना यारो इश्क बिना क्या मरना यारो गुड़ से मीठा
Norma, I love that answer. Next question. Who played the character Mansi Shankar in the movie? Who played the character Mansi Shankar in the movie? Let's go. Anybody else love the flute in this song? Woo! What up, Rahed?
नीचे इश्क है ऊपर रब है इन दोनों के बीच में सब है नीचे इश्क है ऊपर रब है इन दोनों के बीच में सब है एक नहीं सब बातें कर लो
Wow. Now, who knows the female singer in this song? And I can't tell you guys how amazing you guys are playing along, man. What up, Judy? I love you.
इश्क बिना क्या जीना यारो इश्क बिना क्या मरना यारो इश्क बिना क्या जीना यारो इश्क बिना क्या मरना यारो से मीठा इश्क इश्क
And for a guy who doesn't understand Hindi, what does ishq bina mean? Comment below.
से मीठा इश्क इश्क इमली से खट्टा इश्क इश्क
And Shy Miller, can we do another dance segment, man? I miss watching your amazing dance performances. Roseman, okay. I didn't know it meant without love. Look, this is exciting. This is something I dreamt of over the weekend when I was watching this movie. And I was like, man, it'd be kind of cool to come back online. You know, the thing about coming online every single day is unless there's like some sort of a thing, just me standing here DJing is kind of boring. So I'm excited. I get to bring my favorite movies to you guys, and then we get to hang out, and then I get to see you all over again. And now I'm excited because tomorrow I have another movie. I can't tell you what it is until I put the poster out. But if you're digging it and you'll come back and hang out with me, it'll be awesome to hang out with you guys all again. And goddamn, COVID is still going. I wish I can come out and see some of you and give you some hugs and kisses, but I can't. So in the meantime, this is what we're gonna do. Third song, let's go.
देखो छोड़ के किस रास्ते वो जाते हैं सारे रास्ते वापस
Sally, what up? Shamila, please tag us again one more time. Drop it in the links on this show so we can all check it out. Nemo! I love this song. We already know Sukwinder's in it. Who's the other singer? Comment below. Ooh, la 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 la. La 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 la. It's the movie trivia game with your boy Satsby.
नहीं सामने नहीं सामने ये अलग बात है नहीं सामने ये अलग बात है मेरे पास है तो मेरे पास है
Let's use an emoji to describe how this song makes you feel. Find an emoji and then comment below.
मेरे साथ
Wah. Find an emoji. Let me know how you feel. For me, it's like that rocket about to blast off. Where's my buddy Gul Rose G? Comment below.
तेरा नाम मैंने लिया है यहाँ मुझे याद तूने किया है वहाँ तेरा नाम मैंने लिया है यहाँ मुझे याद तूने किया है वहाँ बड़े जोर की
Me and you both, Nemo.
साथ है बड़े जोर की आज बरसात है
What's up, Kala? Welcome to the movie trivia game.
तो मेरे पास है मेरे पास है तो मेरे पास है मेरे साथ है मेरे साथ है
Who knows what was Anil Kapoor's name in the movie. We all know Mansi was a Shwairi. That's right. This song is got Sukhwinder Singh and Hariharan Ji. Hariharan, one of the greatest voices. Wow. What's up, Layla? Listen, I hope you guys are digging this idea. It could also be a very boring idea, but please do comment below. Let me know. Tomorrow, I have another movie I want to showcase and hang out with you guys with the playlist. Would you come back and hang out with me one more time? Here we go. This is Desi Fest. I'm Sats B, and I love you. Nemo, I still got a dance moves. What's up, Layla?
दिल ये बेचैन वे रास्ते पे नैन वे जिंदड़ी बेहाल है सुर है ना ताल है आजा सावरिया
हाँ, 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 हाँ।
ताल से ताल मिला ताल से ताल मिला
Selfishly, I would love to get to 500 hearts. Selfishly, but you don't have to.
सावन ने आज तो मुझको भिगो दिया हाय मेरी लाज ने मुझको डुबो दिया
Samuel, you gotta do a dance to this.
ने आज तो मुझको भिगो दिया हाय मेरी लाज ने मुझको डुबो दिया
What?
ऐसी लगी झड़ी सोचूं मैं ये खड़ी कुछ मैंने खो दिया क्या मैंने खो दिया चुप क्यों है बोल तू संग मेरे डोल तू मेरी चाल से जाल मिला
Let's go.
ताल से ताल मिला ताल से ताल मिला
What an iconic song. So good, man. And like Nirmala, you said it. I was just about to say, those high notes are no problem at all for Alka and Udit Narayanan. I think the most ultimate, most recognized duet singers, man. And I didn't know who they were until we started Sofa Sessions and Bollywood. So it's exciting. This song, look at the start. Listen to the start. Wow. Wow.
सहा नहीं जा
I love this song. In my younger days, I remixed this so many times. Can we get some dancing emojis? love this song. This song is so lit. Okay, last song. I want it to be a quick 30-minute to hang out because I know I'm taking up some of your time. And this little 30-minute is a good energy boost for me because I need all of you guys in my life. So the last song, okay, this is what you got to do. You get just a couple of lines to explain the movie. So if somebody's never seen this movie, somebody who's not in the culture, somebody who's never ever seen this movie, I want them to be able to read your caption, your 2-line caption, and understand quickly what the movie is. And it could be as simple as boy meets girl, girl likes boy can't marry girl, end of movie. Something simple. But we got till the end of this song, and then I'm going to find and pick the caption that I love the most, and then we're going to send you some gear. Here we go. Keep it simple, man. Thank you, Rahit, for the stars. I appreciate it. Tell us, Nemo.
Yara yara yara
Nina, it doesn't get any simpler than that. I love it.
करिए ना कोई वादा किसी से करिए ना करिए ना करिए ना कोई वादा किसी से करिए ना करिए करिए हो करिए करिए तो वादा फिर तोड़िए ना
Nemo, what does it mean? Kariye.
फिर तोड़िए ना तो वादा फिर तोड़िए ना हो करिए ना कोई वादा किसी से करिए ना करिए ना करिए ना कोई वादा किसी से करिए ना करिए करिए हो करिए करिए
Comment below
तो वादा फिर तोड़िए ना
your summary of this movie.
वादा फिर तोड़िए ना तो वादा फिर तोड़िए ना
Wow, Sangeeta, nice.
पकड़िए ना पकड़िए तो छोड़िए ना छोड़िए
Shamila, I love that one, man. Yes. Nemo, I want to see your version. Let's go. Tomorrow I'll come back with another movie, one of my old-time favorites. I'm going to be in the 90s for a little bit this week. Judy, I miss you. I hope you're keeping safe. And every time I look at all my Daisy Fest pictures, Judy, you're in the front row, man. I love you for showing up every year at the square. I knew you were going to ask me that.
करिए ना कोई वादा किसी से, करिए ना, करिए ना, करिए ना कोई वादा किसी से, करिए ना, करिए करिए हो, करिए करिए तो वादा फिर तोड़िए ना, तो वादा फिर तोड़िए ना।
Man, we crossed 500 hearts, and I love you for that. Thank you so much. So I'll be back tomorrow, and I got another movie, and hopefully you'll like the movie. We'll hang out, and then I don't know if you guys can tell a friend to come hang out with us. And we've got Acapella Mondays coming back, so if you got a singer and if you want to sing, if you can come share some of your songs, please get in touch with me, Michelle, Nirmala. Get in touch with one of us. DJ battles are coming back too, so I'm excited. And those of you that know me, you can tell my energy level's back. I'm out of the blues. I'm out of the January, February grind. And I'm excited about music again. I'm excited about hanging out with you guys. And you know, this COVID thing ain't going nowhere, man. So just when you think we beat it, there's version 2, 3, 4, whatever. So you know what? It's in God's hands. We're going to hang out. We're going to keep the music alive. We're going to keep ourselves connected. It's your boy, Sat to Be. Somebody's going to get a hat or a T-shirt or something. We'll let you know by DM tomorrow. Thank you again for hanging out with me. My day feels complete. Now I can go and go to bed. I'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget, Daisy Fest. If you're the first time here, hit that like button, hit that follow button, and turn on that notification. I love you. I will see you tomorrow. Good night.